Clipboard in Windows 10. The Windows Clipboard is a storage area for items that you have cut or copied. Whenever you cut or copied something, it is automatically placed in the clipboard for you. Windows 10 takes copy and paste to another level with a feature called Clipboard History, which lets you see a list of items you have copied to the clipboard recently. Just press Windows key plus V. Clipboard History first appeared in Windows 10's October 2018 update version 1809. Currently, Clipboard History supports text, HTML and image less than 4 MB in size. Larger items won't be stored in the history. Clipboard History stores a maximum of 25 entries, with the oldest one disappearing as new one appears. Also, unless an item is pinned to the clipboard history will reset every time you restart your computer. So let's see how to enable clipboard history in Windows 10. First, click on Start, Settings, System. In the left side pane, you can see Clipboard. Click on the same. Locate the section called Clipboard History and toggle the switch to On. To share your clipboard items across your Windows 10 devices, choose Automatically Sync Text that I copy under Sync Across Devices. The sync feature is tied to your Microsoft account or your work account. So remember to use the same login information on all your devices. Also, you can clear the clipboard data from here if you want to do so. Once you have enabled clipboard history, you can call up a list of items you have copied recently while using any application. To do so, press Windows key plus V. As you can see, my clipboard data is empty. So I am going to copy a link from Notepad and then going to check the status in clipboard. As you can see, that text is clipped to clipboard. Now I am going to take a screenshot. Press Windows plus Shift plus S to launch Snip and Sketch and taken the screenshot. A pop-up message came mentioning Snip has been copied to clipboard. Let's verify that. Yes, the screenshot also clipped to the clipboard. You can also click on any item in the clipboard history list to paste into an open application. Here I have selected the link from clipboard and going to paste it in a notepad. Done. Now I am going to select the screenshot to paste it in MS Paint. Done. So that's it all about clipboard in Windows 10. Thank you.